Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes guys.
It's a giveaway time guys.
It's that time.
And the giveaway is this coin.
Yeah, Canada
Maple leaf guys.
It's been very long overdue guys.
It's been really long overdue. Truly apologize. As you can see right there, we are on 604.
Yes.
Okay guys. So good luck to everyone.
Good luck guys.
Let's just make it quick and snappy.
Yes.
We'll be using the random comment picker.
Yes guys.
So this is the video, right?
Yeah, that's a video.
This is the video where we will be picking the winner.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just copy the link. Okay, copy. Okay, as you can see, it's been copied, and then we'll go to the YouTube random picker. We'll just paste it there. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll filter the duplicates
and also include the specific word.
Or filter the comment, the specific word, guys. The specific word was hashtag
grow together.
Grow together. I hope I spelled it right.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay. And then those were the requirements. Good luck, now, guys. Good luck to everyone.
Yes.
And then we'll go down
and get the comments.
And get the comment. How?
The caption.
Oh, this thing. 8+1, the maths. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's the correct answer. Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Should be.
Okay, yeah, it was.
Comments.
We have 14 unique comments, guys. So chances are extremely high for anyone to win.
Because we did the second video because the other one was too long.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's just get straight to it, guys. And then good luck to everyone.
Good luck, guys.
Okay.
Alright.
Start.
Ooh.
B2.
B squared.
The B squared.
Exponent.
The B squared.
Wow.
The exponent, guys. They have won the B squared.
Congratulations.
Okay. Congratulations. Those Libertas definitely not cheap, but awesome coin to have. Yes. Nice edition.
Yes.
Hashtag
yes. And the special way
grow together.
Alright. So congratulations. Our email is on our about page. Yes.
I think it's on our about page. Yeah. Just get back to us. You have won the Canada Maple Leaf.
Yes.
Really congrats to you. The B squared.
Yes, congrats.
The exponents. We are excited, guys.
Thank
you so much for everyone that entered, and the B squared.
Yes.
I love this one. B squared or exponent.
You think
congrats.
You're in the classroom now, you're learning maths.
Yeah. The pies and the pies of 8. The 8s and the pies.
Then the solving of x's.
Yeah, guys. Okay. B squared exponent. Get back to us. Our email is on the about page.
About pages.
Okay.
All right.
With your address, so we can ship it.
Ship it to you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
For everything.
Yeah, for watching our videos
and commenting.
Yes.
Engaging, guys. We truly appreciate that so much.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. Bye.